Hello everyone and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Today in the Market Watch, we've got critical Bitcoin updates this week, you guys. Can 60K Bitcoin price that we're seeing today support a hold? I did have a great short yesterday and I'm hoping some of you guys did too from the last TA. We had that clearly drawn out. I really hope it helped you guys. Now just make sure you're subscribed so you never miss these videos. I'll also have more TA at the end as we need to be checking TA every day. Okay? Now, Bitcoin kicks off the last week of June, heading for a crucial retest of its range lows as BTC price actions nears the critical 60K mark. We did hit it, but that's crazy. Dropping another 1.25% since the June 24th daily close. Bitcoin continues to tell bulls nervous. Bitcoin continues to test these bulls' nerves with a deeper dive into core resistance. The big question now, will this support hold with the monthly closing looming? It's critical because that makes a lot of big traders make their next decisions. Now to reach this point, Bitcoin has already given up multiple moving averages, pushing short-term holders into the red as it's dipped below their aggregated cost basis. Demand is taking a temporary setback, with whales in particular feeling the impact amid the lowest prices in over a month. Now, adding fuel to this week's volatility mix are key economic data releases. On June 28th, we'll see the classic US unemployment data release, which is critical, followed by revised Q2 GDP figures and the Fed's preferred inflation gauge the next day. Now, popular traders like Crypto Ed noted, BTC does look BTC does look weaker than expected and should see more of a downside. Meanwhile, altcoins already suffering from the BTC price drop could easily see another 20% dive, right? And I do expect that in the altcoin market, and I do expect that in the meme token market. Specifically in the meme token market, we're going to see a lot bigger dives. And look, from our TA drawn, just like stated, boys, we've got a huge drop, 5%. If you're trading on Margex using the link below, you'd be at a 5x. I am an idiot and jumped out right here. I saw the stability happen, so I literally jumped out on this hit back up yesterday. It was friggin' so annoying, but I did. So it wasn't that I closed it, it was that I left my take profit, and I always move it, and you should be too. And I'll make a video walking you guys through that. But right now, as we're looking at TA, we're seeing some strong RSI positions, but as we can see, it kind of feels like it's reloaded, and that's not good. Once RSI's reach this high where the price is really not moved that much is a little bit of a questionable thing. The American market did just open here, as we can see, so that also gives me some questions to think about. On top of that, from the last heavy support we had from crypto on BTC specifically, we're at another 2% down from here. Can it get down there? I don't know. I would keep watching and see what's happening. If we're going to do an Elliott wave count, as many people do love to do those, I like to do those on the higher time frame, right? And look at that. If you guys had followed just the indicator signal, not even been day trading, you'd be up 8% on a Margex leverage. That's all I'm saying. You know, you can always make money in the market. Just many people don't think about that. They're always like, oh, people need the definitive number, and you guys, it's just not how this shit works. I kind of wish. This is my guess on it. I'm not a huge fan of Elliott waves, but this is my 1, 2. I could even see this as a 3, right? And then if that's the case, I can give it a 1, 2, 3, or a 1, 2, 3, a 4, and a 5. Yeah. And then maybe a fourth position to maybe bring us back to 62K, and then definitely take us lower. I mean, you're not going to have a truncated fifth wave, right? So it's one of those to watch. If that is the case, if it stabilizes here on the fifth wave, I'd be happy. If this is the 5 wave, again, not a big fan of Elliott waves. I don't use them for trades. I used to, and they did not make me a lot of money. Once I switched to support, resistance, and moving averages with RSI as a backing and indicators, only way as our indicator. I don't like to use random ass indicators. I like to know the math behind it, and that helps me a lot. So I hope this helps you guys a lot too. Please keep watching as things are going to get turmoily and volatile in this market. I made that word up. It's going to get turmoily and it's going to get stressful. But make sure to watch every day. I'm going to get as many videos as I can out. And next time I got a good short running, I'll be sure to let you guys know. I do let the Telegram communities know, and I do let the Discord chats know for the access group. So please don't hesitate to use those. I do have my link too. But don't let this market hold you back, and don't be too scared of it. It could get worse, but at the same time, it can always get better. So just keep watching, be diligent, and make sure you have nothing in there that you're too afraid to lose. All right? I'll see you guys on the next video.